Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to easily change or replace old or broken Logitech G432 gaming headset earpads cushions. Just buy new replacement earpads and restore your Logitech G432 gaming headset at home. Links to new earpads will be in the video description. To remove the earpad cup, you need your index finger, which you place under earpads and then slowly pull off the earpad, which is held inside the housing groove of the headset body. It really was that easy. To put the earpad cushions back on, you first need to straighten the edge of the earpad. This will make it easier to put back. As these earpads are irregularly shaped, find how it should look. Then you need to put the edge of the earpad into the headphone housing groove. It is important with one hand help to put inside earpad edge, and hold the edge of the earpad with the other hand. If you don't hold it, it will slide out, and you won't be able to put it on never. Therefore, with one hand pull the edge of the earpad into the groove, and with the other hand hold the edge that has already been pulled in. At the end, you can twist the earpad a little, so that it sits better in the groove. That's it, it was really easy. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck.